How to recover a deleted YouTube channel. This tutorial shows you how to restore your channel before it gets permanently removed on your Android device. First, open your browser on your Android device. This can be Chrome or Samsung Internet. After that, go to youtube.com and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. From there, tap on Sign In and log in with the Google account that was connected to your deleted channel. At this point, once you're signed in, tap on your profile icon again and tap on your channel. In the next step, you'll see a message saying your channel has been deleted, along with an option to restore it. Following this, tap on Restore Channel to begin the restoration process. Once done, YouTube will ask you to confirm your identity, follow the on-screen prompts to verify your account. From here, tap on Confirm to proceed with restoring your channel. At this stage, YouTube will begin processing your channel restoration request, which may take a few moments to complete. After this, once the restoration is successful, you'll receive a confirmation message letting you know your channel is back. Finally, tap on Go to Channel to visit your Restore channel and confirm that all your videos, subscribers, and settings are back in place. Keep in mind that YouTube only allows channel recovery within a limited window after deletion. If too much time has passed, the channel may be permanently gone and cannot be restored. And that's it. If this YouTube channel helped you recover your deleted channel, give it a like, subscribe for more YouTube tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.